Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing. If you like what you see here today, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do DIYs. Please check out my other videos to see if you would like to make a determination to be a part of the JRC Restoration Decor and Designs family. And for my faithful subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for your viewing support. What you're seeing here is me demonstrating these pleated shades, actually tension rod pleated shade that was gifted to me by a company. I will leave their name and their website information in my description box below, but these were a game changer. What I had in my windows prior to these were black paper pleated shades that I had to basically fold up like a fan every day and put clips on. I will be showing those shades to you in this video. So if you like to see how these actually work and function, takes less than a minute to put up, no tools required, then I would be glad to share this with you. I want to thank you all for stopping by. So let's get on with the demonstration. So what I am sharing with you all here is the tension window blinds that was gifted to me by the company. I will link the name across the screen as well as putting their information in my description box below. They gifted me 2 of these window blinds. This is my foyer entry. I've already put up one in this window. I got to put up one in that window over there, and I will show you how to do it. Very simple, no tools required, but I'm going to show you what I had up here initially. This is what I had, the paper blinds, and it has these little clips. The one you'll see in that window is totally different. It's thicker, but it still had clips. The clips were bigger, but one of the clips broke, and you'll see what I have holding that up. But this was for temporary. But again, I'd like to thank the company for sending me these blinds, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put them up. Okay, this is the other blind. It's a lot thicker, and it has the peel off backing that you can just stick it to the underside of your window. The only thing is when you pull it off, the paint is going to come off with it, but that's no big deal for mine because my window sills need to be painted anyway. But these are a lot thicker, and this is what I have holding them. Magnetic clips, because the clips that came with them were thick and white, but one of them broke. And you have to manually do this. But I'm going to take this down, and I'm going to first show you what it looks like packaged. But this is vinyl, and the one that I had in the other window was paper. And then the pleats are a lot bigger as opposed to the pleats that are in the one that the company sent me. These are much tighter, and again, you just push up and pull down. There is no clips that you have to use, and I just love it. So let me show you what they look like when they come in the box. Okay, they come in a box, nicely wrapped, and this is what it looks like. This was the size of mine, and what they will require, if you're interested, they will require, I have the picture, they will require the length of your window from that all the way down, and then from the inside, and then I don't know why, but they sent me a picture wanting from here to here. It was 4 measurements, I believe, that they wanted. Let's see, for the length, the inside of the window, and then from this sill to this sill to that side of the windowsill. I don't know why, but I sent them the measure, and it came where it fit perfectly. And then here is the manual. Very simple, very easy. The steps that they give you is just literally there's a little piece that you just clip on. You put it inside of the window and then tighten it, And then after you tighten, you just slide the bar to cover that and then just use it. It shows you, oh, that's because you can, well, no, you don't put it on the outside, you put it on the inside. You can pull the blind down or you can pull the blind up. And it shows you here. You can pull the blind down for the sunlight to come in from the top, or you can pull it up, or you can have it both ways. And that's fully closed. So, literally very easy. And I'm going to show you right now. Oh, I forgot to show you a tool. This is the tool that comes with it. And that's all you need. And it's only just to tighten up the little nut that comes on the end. Okay, I'm going to take down the old blinds. Okay. Pull the drywall totally off. Okay, so again, this comes packaged like this, and I've already cut the red part off. Let me show you. I'm sorry about the lighting, because if I put my ring light in here, it's going to be too bright, and because of the window being open. So this is it comes like this, and this is the cap that goes on the end of this. And this is the tension part. So it first tells me to put the cap on, and I will pause and do that. Okay, so here's the little piece, the little cap that goes on the end of the tension rod. There is a, let's see, just put it on there and it locks just like that. And then this piece here, let me bring you all closer. This is the piece, and I would keep turning it until it gets to there, and that locks it from going in. And that's what I would use this piece for. I start turning it with my hand, but when it gets in there, I tighten it using this. So it's very simple. It's just putting it between the window. It's not heavy at all, so I'm able to hold it up to the, all the way up to there. I'm able to hold it up with one hand while I tighten the nut to go all the way back here. And once it's there, once I get the nut all the way back there, then I tighten it with this. So let me get it up there and then show you. It's easy, so I will show you as much as I can, or as best as I can. I'm gonna see if I can bring the table of what I'm putting this camera on so you can see it better. Okay. Uh-oh, hit my chandelier. Okay, so I put this in the windowsill and I push it back. Hold it up and make sure it's, and then I start tightening it. Okay, that's tightening. I got a screw here. I will bring you all up here so you can see. It's pretty much self-explanatory. See how quick that was? Let you all see it. All I had to do was tighten that, put this around here, and I turn it towards me, and that tightens it. The part that I forgot to show you all is this cap. Just covers that, that's all. So once you put this there, you turn it, use that tool that they gave you to tighten it, and then you just cover everything with that. And that's it. And then all I do is pull it down. You can pull both ways. From the top, and I'll stand back so you can see some more. I can pull from the top and that side, but of course I'm not going to want to climb up a ladder every day, so this is going to stay up. And then of course, this I will pull down. And I love it. Again, I want to thank Tonature for gifting these blinds to me. And if you think you might be interested in something like this for your home, I will leave their information and their store information in my description box below. As you saw in the beginning of the video, they do have up to 266 customizable sizes for your window. And they also have various colors to fit the aesthetic of your home. Again, I will leave their information in my description box below. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.